Hey guys, I want to show you the Brother 1034 Overlock machine because it's a great time saver if you like to sew, especially when you're finishing your seams. You can use a 3-thread overlock or a 4-thread overlock. Right now I just have 3 of my spools threading the machine. The other spool is just sitting there. This machine might look a little complicated, but it's really easy to use. It's easy to thread. There's a diagram which you'll look at for the first few times, but once you start using this machine, the threading will become second nature. I want to show you really quickly what it looks like to use a 3-thread overlock stitch. Nothing fancy. I just put my fabric in place like on my regular sewing machine. I use the foot pedal for it to go. Now, sometimes I use this machine by itself to sew my garment, and sometimes I use my regular sewing machine to sew the seams first, and then I just use this one to finish the edges. It just depends on the project and the fabric. And so I just want you to see, look at this seam. It's pretty, it's neat. The machine cut the fabric automatically because that's the setting that I have it on. And then there's this little catch-all where the clippings fall into. And I also pulled out this other garment that I sewed with this machine. I just want you to see the edges because it has a little rolled hem on each of the ruffles. This dress had a lot of ruffles and it would have taken forever without this machine. Also, I'll turn it inside out and you can see the finishing of the seams. I have this machine to thank. It is a time saver and it helps make your garments look like they are professionally made.